Good morning, students. This is Sheba. Now we are going to see about the 8086 microprocessor unit 2. So in that we are going to see about the minimum mode and maximum mode pin details. As we learned in the last topic, pin details refers to the available pins in the microprocessor. So based on the pins available only, we can expand our processor to the application. Here you can see minimum mode and maximum mode configuration. This minimum mode and maximum mode configuration is used to find whether our microprocessor is used based on the internal bus or coprocessor is used. That is, in minimum mode, the internal bus itself acts as the master device to control all the bus signals as well as the processes. Whereas in maximum mode, you will be connecting a coprocessor or another processor for processing. So that maximum mode, multiple processor will take the control of the bus for operation. Any bus you are connecting or any processor you are connecting can act as a master device and control the bus signals. So these are all about the minimum mode and maximum mode. Simply saying, minimum mode is only one processor device where 8086 alone control, whereas in maximum mode multiple processors are connected with your 8086 system processor. Any device can control the bus signals. So moving to the pin configurations available here, only a single pin, that is 33rd pin, is used to differentiate whether your processor act in minimum mode or maximum mode. That is Mn/Mx bar. Mn, if you are giving this Mn as pin value as 1, that is if you are giving the power supply input to this pin, means it will act in the minimum mode. If you are not giving supply, if it is grounded, that is for zero input, this pin act as a maximum mode. On this condition, our processor will act in maximum mode, so that you can connect another processors for which the other coprocessors can act as a master for controlling the bus signals. So based on the 33rd pin, whether you are giving the input to this pin or not giving the input, it decides whether your processor act in minimum mode or maximum mode. Why means, in this Mn is a normal pin. If you are giving supply, means it will be active. If you see Mx, there is a bar given above this representation, Mx bar. It represents the complement. That is, if you are giving the input, it will act as a minimum mode. If you are not giving the input, only at the value of 0 only, it will be giving the output. Okay. So in this minimum mode, you can see clearly read, write, memory or input output, data transmit, receive, data bus enables pin will be active. Whereas in maximum mode, the status signals S0, S1, S2 will decide which device you are connecting for the maximum mode configuration. So you can see in maximum mode, you will be going for external bus controller, that is 8288, for controlling the bus signals. Of course, the coprocessor will take the control of the system, so it needs external bus controller, and it also uses DMA request grant signals for choosing which type of bus signals it has to generate, how it has to allocate the processor to all the coprocessors. Then lock output is also available only at this maximum mode condition. And queue status, yes, of course many coprocessors are connected, so which has to be served first, which have to be served next, is indicated based on this queue status. So these are all about the minimum and maximum mode configuration of 8086. Based on this real-time application, you can see here is scientific calculator. Of course, scientific calculator, everyone know about it. we as electronics engineers, we are using it in our daily life for even simple calculations. So the scientific calculations like trigonometric functions, sine, cos, tan, arithmetic functions like add, subtract, power, finding the power value, and function integrations like functional plots, advanced tools, logical operations like and, or, XOR, everything is based on this done based on this 8086 processor only. So this is the major real time application of our 8086 processors. So every pin here used for implementation purpose alone. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me and get the details. Thank you.